Hi, I'm Sonia Rose, Water Conservation Program Coordinator for UF-IFAS Extension, Hillsborough County. As you all know, Hillsborough County is growing, and so is the demand for our natural resources like water. But you can still have a beautiful landscape at your home. With the right resources and gardening practices like microirrigation, a beautiful landscape can also be environmentally friendly. Our microirrigation workshop will show you that simple irrigation practices you can conserve water, save money, and reduce plant pests. We will also provide you with a microirrigation kit as well as resources for plant selection and landscape design. This is a great program if you want to conserve water and enhance your ornamental landscape beds. Click the link below if you'd like to register for our next workshop via Zoom. We hope to see you there.